The Evolution X represents the pinnacle of performance, efficiency, and serviceability. With the patent-pending air valve cartridge assembly, you can fix airside issues without removing the pump from service. It's as easy as removing 4 bolts. The innovative air valve cartridge design still features our signature match ground sleeve and spool for superior performance under the toughest air conditions. A simple twist-lock valve cap allows you to access the sleeve and spool, clean it, and/or replace it on the fly, quickly getting it back into service. Reassembling the Evolution X is easier than ever. The airside components are symmetrical and can be assembled in either direction. The all-new Sandpiper Evolution X, achieving the pinnacle of performance, efficiency, and serviceability. Visit www.sandpiperpump.com to learn more today.